The first step is to simply open your Brave browser, and now what we're gonna have to do is simply install an extension. So we're gonna have to simply search for Chrome Web Store, and then we're gonna have to simply go on and search for browser lock. So simply search for browser lock, and then simply click on this extension here. Now we're gonna have to simply click on add to Brave, and then click on add extension, and basically with this extension we're gonna be able to lock our browser. So if we click on this button in the top right corner, we have here the extension, and we can simply open the settings. Then simply click on start now, and here we're gonna have to simply enter our first and last name, and then simply enter your email address. Now once we do that, what we're gonna have to do is simply enter the password that we want to basically use for our Brave browser. So I'm gonna enter a password, so make sure you create a good password, then click on register, and then basically that's it. Now you're gonna have to verify your email, but you can do this later. And now if I close the Brave browser and reopen it, it's gonna ask me for the password. So basically that's all we have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.